Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about derivatives of product and division of two functions. Let product of two functions is u into v. Its derivative is of the form u dy dx of v plus v dy dx of u. Your exercise 5.2 question number 6 here say y is equal cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5. Its derivative dy by dx is equal the ddx of cos x cube into sin square x to the power 5. Here we consider u is cos x cube and v is sin square x to the power 5. Now its derivative u means here cos x cube, derivative of v which is sin square x to the power 5 plus sin square x to the power 5 dy dx of cos x cube. Cos x cube, its derivative is of the form x square. Derivative of x square is 2x, so here 2 sin x to the power 5. So the dx of here x to the power 5 we consider x, so you have to define it again, sin x to the power 5 plus sin square x to the power 5. The derivative of cos we know minus sin, so here x cube, so derivative of x cube again, then twice sin x to the power 5 cos x cube. Now its derivative again, sin is cos, so cos of x to the power 5, again derivative of x to the power 5 minus, here plus into minus, sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube. The derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now rewrite again, sin x to the power 5 cos x cube, cos x to the power 5, the derivative of x to the power 5 is 5x to the power 4 minus, you can arrange it, 3x square sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube, and here 2 into 5 is 10 x to the power 4 sin x to the power 5 into cos x to the power 5 cos x cube minus 3x square sin square x to the power 5 into sin x cube. So it is the answer. Let division of two functions be u by v. Its derivative d by dx is of the form here v square v dy dx of u minus u dy dx of v. Your exercise 5.2, see question number 5 here. Y is equal sine of ax plus b by cos of cx plus d. Its derivative dy by dx, dy dx of sine ax plus b by cos of cx plus d. Here u is sin ax plus b and v cos of cx plus d. Its derivative now. Compare with the formula. Denominator here v square, so here v is cos, so cos square cx plus d, and v ddx of u, so v is cos cx plus d, and derivative of u, which is sin ax plus b, minus sin ax plus b, the derivative of cos cx plus d. Then cos square cx plus d, cos of cx plus d, the derivative of sine we know already, the cos of ax plus b, the derivative of ax plus b again, which is a minus sine ax plus b, the derivative of cos will be minus sine cx plus d into c, derivative of cx plus d again, its derivative is c. So then a cos ax plus b into cos cx plus d minus into minus plus c sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d by cos square cx plus d. So which is the answer? Now see question number 7, which is composition of functions. Y is equal twice under root cot x square. Its derivatives dy by dx, then ddx of 2 root cot x square. So most important formula is that d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So under root, in place of x here, cot x square, so 2 is constant, so twice the derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root cot x square. X here cot x square, so we have to define it again, cot x square. So we can cancel now 2. Here root cot x square, the derivative of cot, the dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. So it is minus cosec square x square. So in place of x here x square, so we have to differentiate again x square. I can write directly also x square, derivative 2x, so minus cosec square x square divided by root cot x square into 2x, derivative of x square is 2x. So finally answer you may write like this, 2x cosec square x square divided by root cot x square. Question number 8, say y is equal cos of root x it is also a composition of functions. dy by dx of cos root x, and then cos of x, its derivative is minus sine root x, and you have to differentiate again which function, root x. So minus sine root x, the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So final answer you can write sine root x by 2 root x.